Job of the day. We are doing bearings, check and brake. Same issue that I had with this one. This spare tire mount that they purchased is not very robust, so I don't recommend putting it on. I'm going to send her a link for one that she can put on, or that I can put on that'll be a lot more robust. Diamond plate panel is dented. I can pull it forward for her, see if that's what she wants. Wellness check, we'll check everything. Spare tire mount, that's what I just talked about. Jack reinforce, we'll reinforce that. We're also going to do bearings and all these fenders. We got some rocks behind them. Take it out, get those rocks out, straighten up the fender just a little bit as best of my ability, and then secure it down and silicone over the top. Let's get to it. And tires are coming off. Passenger side is off. Springs look good, hangers look good, shackle links look good. Let's go to the other side, check the same thing. Springs, hangers look good, U-bolts look good, yes. Shackle links are good. Perfect, let's do bearings. One spindle's off. Second hub is off. Let's get these new bearings inside. Spring or spindle retainer is on. Excess grease is off. Let's go to the other side. Passenger side going on. Hub is packed. All right, axle is done. Let's move to fenders. Secure in fender, and then we're gonna pound it and try and make it flat. One in. Two in. Why is this not going in? Nice and tight. Tight. Fender's on there. Well, let's see if we can pound it out. Alright, straighter than it was. And we'll do the same thing on the driver's side. There you go. Had some rocks in there. Tight. Tight. On and secure. Let's silicone over the top. Passenger side, silicone over the top. Let's do driver side. Fender on driver side, silicone over the top. Checking light. Yes, driver side. All right, we're back. I had to go get lunch. Battery died, so I charged it. I bent out the diamond plate on the front, so everything's nice and straight. I'm looking for my 13/16. There it is. 13/16 squared, but we're checking light. Lights are good. Driver's side. Front and back of the fender. Yes. Left turn is on and working. Right turn is on and working. All lights work. License plate lights work. Good. Passenger side. Yes. Everything's good. Let's torque lug nuts. Passenger side done. Driver's side done. All right, let's do the rundown on this. New bearings, new seals, new grease. Checked all the running gear. Everything's good. Straightened out the fenders the best of my ability. Put clear silicone over the top. There was some rock between the fender and the sidewall, so I cleaned all that up. All lights and wiring worked perfectly fine. I did tighten down the jack a little bit. It was a little loose. Did some of the siding. Some of the trim didn't have the 3/8 self-tapper, so I put a couple of those on. Tires and wheels are on. Everything's torqued. This job's done. I'm going to do the next.